What is PEP8's E128, continuation line under-indented for visual indent? Just opened a file with Sublime Text, with Sublime Linter, and noticed a PEP8 formatting error that I'd never seen before. Here's the text. It's flagging the second argument, the line that starts URL, ... I was about to disable this check in SD2, but I'd like to know what I'm doing wrong before I ignore it. You never know, if it seems important I might even change my ways, smiley face.
PEP8 recommends you indent lines to the opening parentheses if you put anything on the first line, so it should either be indenting to the opening bracket or not putting any arguments on the starting line, then indenting to a uniform level. I suggest taking a read through PEP8. You can skim through a lot of it, and it's pretty easy to understand, unlike some of the more technical PEPs.
This goes also for statements like this, auto-formatted by PyCharm. Which will give the same style warning. In order to get rid of it I had to rewrite it too.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.